Hey, it's Des. I have a delicious breakfast sandwich to share with you. This sandwich is a next level bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, but keep watching to see what makes it so great. I'm making the bacon in the air fryer. It's so quick and easy. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees and set it for 7 minutes. After 5 minutes, the air fryer told me to turn the bacon. Isn't that awesome? I'm using English muffins, but make sure you toast your bread so it holds up to the sandwich. I love eating this sandwich open face, so I'm going to use 1 egg for each side. I love over easy eggs in this sandwich, but scrambled would work as well. When you flip your egg, count to 15, and then it should be ready. Check out my page. I have a delicious recipe for homemade cheese sauce. You can make the cheese sauce in advance. The cheese sauce is what makes it over the top delicious. Bacon on the side or on top? I couldn't decide. They were both delicious. I hope you love this recipe too. Thanks for watching. Take care till next time. Happy cooking. Please like, subscribe, and share.